My greetings to everyone. I am Debraj Adhikari, currently working as Senior Plant Protection Officer in the Plant Quarantine and Pesticide Management Center under Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock Development, Nepal. I like to welcome in my presentation related to this Chinese citrus fly, the Bactrocera minax. That is the management of the Chinese citrus fly, the area-wide control program sharing from Nepal. This is outline of my short presentation. Here I present regarding the Chinese citrus fly, its invasion, the area-wide control program, AWCP, outcome of area-wide control program in Nepal, including the conclusion. Citrus is one of the most widely cultivated and traded horticultural commodities in the world. In Nepal, it is an important fruit cultivated in 49,000 hectare land with 32,000 productive orchards that produces 306,000 metric tons citrus fruit here we have in Nepal. We all know that the fruit flies which belongs to Debraj are most devastating pest of fruit and fruit vegetables. Here I am going to talk about the Chinese citrus fly. This Chinese citrus fly, Bactrocera minax, is a serious pest of citrus fruit in Nepal. Actually, this is exclusively distributed in China, Bhutan, India, and in Nepal. As compared to the other fruit fly species, this Chinese citrus fly is larger sized fruit fly species. It is oligophagous pest which only feed on the citrus fruit, mainly the Rutaceae family. It has univolatile life cycle pattern. Here we can see the different life stages in the different month of the year. As for the findings of our study in Sinduli district, Nepal, adult flies lays egg during the green fruit stage, that is marble to lime-sized fruit. Then the maggots feed on the fruit and the mature maggots pupate in the soil for plus minus 6 months. Then again it emerges and then started oviposition and it continues its life cycle. It takes 1 year to complete its whole life cycle. Its peculiar characteristic is that it never attacked in any parapheromone leaves. So we have to use protein bait for the monitoring and the management. And this slide shows the invasion of Chinese citrus fly in the different part of the world. Here is the report from China, and then report from Bhutan, and the report from India, the Sikkim part, and the photographs from the Nepal. The area-wide control program is simply integration of IPM, integrated pest management measures in larger area. Actually, considering the life cycle and behavior of the pest, this Chinese citrus fly. Protein hydrolysate with insecticide abamectin was used in Nepal, whereas in Sikkim, the spinosad was applied instead of abamectin insecticide in 2023. The prepared solution of protein bait, 50 ml, was spread over 0.5 to 1 meter square area under the lower side of the leaves in one tree among 3 productive citrus trees in weekly interval for 10 to 12 times during the month of May, June, July. In area-wide control program of this Chinese citrus fly, both managerial as well as technical components are equally important. The managerial experts and the technical experts. The technical components includes the fruit loss assessment, monitoring of adult fly emergence, and then the application of protein bait, actually the sport application of protein bait, then finally the sanitation of the maggot infested fruit to prevent pupation. Similarly, the managerial components includes stakeholders consultation, preparation of spray plan, and then the orientation program to the spray person and the orchard owners, and finally monitoring and feedback. And the area-wide control program actually is a step-by-step process which starts from understanding the life cycle and the behavior of pests, that is the bigger size fruit fly species, univolatile life cycle, and no parapheromone attacked, and then the monitoring of adult fly emergence, and then sport application of protein bait, and sanitation measures to prevent pupation. Finally, the outcome slide. The figure here shows that we can see here, after implementation of the area-wide control program, the average fruit loss of sweet orange fruit because of this, Chinese citrus fly decreased significantly from 56.7% to 10.9% in 2018, and again decreased to below 5% in the year 2019 after the implementation of area-wide control program in the Sinduli district, Nepal. In conclusion, this Chinese citrus fly is geographically distributed in Nepal, India, Bhutan, and China. For the successful implementation of area-wide control program, both technical and managerial components of this AWCP should be exercised simultaneously. The AWCP, area-wide control program, is an eco-friendly management measure that saves the citrus fruit in Sinduli, Nepal, and which is also implementing by other citrus growers in our country, Nepal. It has great scope to extend the area-wide control program technology in other problematic citrus growing area over the world. Thank you and namaskar. Thank you again.